Hi, I'm Nikki, and today I'm gonna make one of my favorite pastries of all time, a cinnamon roll. But instead of making a traditional cinnamon roll, I'm gonna be making something called the knot of love. And this is something super cool I saw online the other day. You cut some rectangles and then you do a little braid and then roll it into itself, and it has a super cool effect between pastry and filling, and it looks really intricate, but it's actually super easy to do. So you can opt to have the usual cinnamon roll, or you can try and do the knot of love. It's completely up to you. I thought I would do something different. You can have different glazings. You can opt for the very simple icing, sugar and milk glaze on top, which is what I'm doing today. Or you can also do a cream cheese frosting like they do in cinnabon, which is also really yummy. The recipe that I'm using today is for a yeast dough that you can use for any sort of sweet pastry. It's very soft and airy at the same time. The list of the ingredients is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So here comes the video with the steps, and as usual, any comments or questions, just post them below and I'll have a look at them. Bye!